Well, 63 people watched all or part of my most recent Silver and Solo video, highlights of the Edinburgh Castle excursion I took from the Regal Princess. 63. We'll unpack that in just a minute. Hang with me. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Jen. This is a video series that I'm making on my journey to get my little channel monetized. I make videos once per week, other than this one, about Silver and Solo, travel, and Gen X lifestyle topics. Here we go with this week's analytics breakdown. Last week, I had 243 subscribers and 257.2 watch time hours. This week, 73 new subscribers and 210.4 watch time hours, for a total of 316 subscribers and 982.8 watch time hours in the last 365 days. I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 total watch time hours over a 365-day period to join the YouTube Partner Program, which is the goal. All gains, to be sure, all arrows pointing up, but they're not green arrows. They're gray arrows. And I don't know why. As I said at the very beginning of this video, my Silver and Solo video went up on Tuesday of this week and has garnered only 63 views in almost a week. Today is Sunday. It was an idea from vidIQ. It was a highly rated idea from vidIQ to do the Edinburgh Castle tour highlights, and it just didn't really take off at all. Interestingly, it's been my back catalog of videos that has driven my growth this week, made the arrows point up. So there's that, which I guess is a good thing. I'm trying not to let the poor performance get me down, but that video is an 8 out of 10 video in, YouTube business parlance, which means that 7 more videos of mine have done better in their first weeks than this one. And if the aim of my channel and of my journey to get monetized is to grow, then putting out a video that comes in 8th, that's not a good signal of growth. So it's hard, it's frustrating. One, I guess, little beacon of light that I guess I can share with you is that I do follow another channel. I follow several channels. I subscribe to many, many channels. But one of the small-ish channels that I subscribe to, the woman there was going over her analytics and talking about peaks and valleys in views and how she, her channel was undergoing this as well. She has far more views than I do. She's monetized. But she said that it was normal in her experience, that there were peaks and valleys, and she also didn't know why some of her videos did well and others did not. So that is comforting. So, on to things that I learned this week, things that can make my videos be better, my business, my YouTube business be better. The first one is that the video editing software that I'm using, which is called DaVinci Resolve, and I talked about that in my very first of this series, it can fix shaky videos, which is amazing because the majority of my videos, my clips from my cruise earlier in the year were handheld by me on my phone, and they are abysmal. They are incredibly shaky. They cause people to get nauseous watching them. I just can't use them. But making this Edinburgh Castle excursion video, I really wanted to use some of the footage that I had taken, and I was getting very frustrated, so I Googled, can DaVinci fix my shaky videos? And the answer is yes, it can. So, and it's not complicated, it's not all techie, it's just a tool that is included with DaVinci, and I had mentioned this earlier, that DaVinci is huge, it's very complicated looking, but there's stuff in there that I still haven't discovered. I don't even know everything that it can do, and apparently fix shaky videos is one of the things. So this stabilization tool, and I'll put up a little clip of it, is a game changer for saving my shaky videos, my handheld, horrible shaky videos. It really fixes them, and I used it in the Edinburgh Castle tour video. So that was a good thing, and that's something that I learned this week. The second thing that I learned this week was to focus more on the first 30 seconds of my videos. I don't know if you noticed or not, but in the first 30 seconds of this video, I did not introduce myself or do a little preamble about what the channel was about and what happened last week or anything. I went right into it. And this is the advice that I got from Mr. Beast himself. And if you don't know who Mr. Beast is and you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, well, you'd better find out who Mr. Beast is. He's the most successful YouTuber on the planet. And just, he should know what he's talking about. But also other YouTube creators who make channels to help other people with YouTube, they also say the same thing. Focus on the first 30 seconds and grab your audience and let them know that they are going to get exactly what my thumbnail says. So I hope I did that. I hope I grabbed you. And I hope you're sticking around until now. Those are the two things. That's what I've had for my frustrating week. Those are the things that are keeping me up at night. I hope that this helped you. I hope that you keep on coming back on Sundays to watch these little videos of mine. I hope you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And there is a puppy video coming. Come on. What are you doing?